Good morning, friends. General Science, Class 8, Chapter 3, Force and Pressure, Part 12, Density. In this part, we learn about the density. Before looking toward the density, we first learn the meaning of mass and volume. In nature, various kinds of objects are found. These objects are found in solid, liquid, and in gaseous states. Some objects are placed in front of you. Look at them and see. Each and every object occupies some space. The objects which are larger in size, they occupy more space, and the objects which are smaller in size, they occupy less space. So what is the volume? The space occupied by the object are called as volume. The space occupied by the object are called as volume of object. Volume of object is expressed in various units like liter, cubic meter, cubic centimeter, gallon, etc. We can calculate the volume of object by the product of length, breadth, and height. The SI unit of volume is meter cube or cubic meter, and the physics unit of volume is centimeter cube. It is also called as cubic centimeter. Volume is a scalar quantity because volume is expressed only with the help of its magnitude. Direction is not required to express the volume. Now, some objects are placed in front of you. A brick is placed. Cotton balls are placed. Observe them. Bricks or stone are found to be heavy, and cotton balls are found to be less heavy. Why? Because the particles in a brick or stones are closer than in cotton ball, and hence the number of molecules in a bricks or stone are more than cotton balls. This measure of number of molecules is called as mass of object. The material stored in the object is called as mass of object. The store of material is called as mass of object. Mass is expressed in various units like kilogram, gram, tons, and metric tons. But the SI unit or MKS unit of mass is kilogram, and the physics unit of mass is gram. Mass is a scalar quantity because mass is expressed only with the help of its magnitude. Direction is not required to express the mass. Hence, mass is a scalar physical quantity. Now, let's see what is the meaning of density. The property which shows that how dense the material is called as density of the substance. The property of a substance which shows that how compact the material is called as density of the substance. The mass of unit volume of a substance is called as density of the substance. The ratio of mass and volume of a substance is called as density of substance. The ratio of mass and volume of a substance is called as density. The SI unit of density is kilogram per meter cube and the physics unit of density is gram per centimeter cube. The formula which is used to calculate the density is density equal to mass divided by volume. We can calculate the density of any substance with the help of this formula. Density is used to verify the purity of substance. The property density is used to verify the purity of the substance. The relative density of a substance is expressed with respect to density of water. The ratio of density of substance and density of water is called as relative density. The ratio of density of substance to the density of water is called as relative density. Relative density is calculated with the help of formula. Relative density is equal to density of substance divided by density of water. Density of substance and density of water have a same units and hence relative density do not have any unit. Relative density of a substance is called as specific gravity of the substance. Thank you very much.